Hello friends. So in this video we will discuss about insert statement. How to insert data into a table. Okay. So insert statement is an DML statement only. DML statement means data manipulation statement, that is insert, update and delete. Okay. So in this video we will discussing the insert statement. So first we need to create one table. So we can tell create table customer ID int, next column name and capital, that is worker of 50. Next is place, that is worker of 50. Okay, now we can execute this. So table created now. How to display the data? Using select, right? So we can use select star table ID, name and place. Okay, now we want to insert the data. So we can use insert into table name, that is custom. Then we can tell values ID, that is integer, right? So one, name is Sara and place London. We will execute this query, one row affected. Then we will execute select star from customer. So one record is there. So this way we can insert the data. Okay. Suppose we are changing these values. Okay. That is Jhon Mumbai. So this value first is Jhon, and after that I was passing ID 2. So this will not work because here we are mentioning ID and name is worker, right? We'll execute this, then this will throw error. Okay, this way we cannot do insert the data. Okay, so we can specify the columns also. So insert into table name, after that we can tell ID, name, comma, place. Then we will execute. So ID means that is integer, name is worker, place also worker. Then we will execute, this will work. See, one row affected. Then select star from customer, data already inserted, right? So we need to insert in different way. Then we can copy this. Here we need to tell first is name, after that ID. Then we can tell like Sachin Mumbai and ID 3. So this time Sachin name is worker and ID is integer. So it is in second place only. This will execute, then we can insert the data. See, one row affected. Select start from customer. See, 3 Sachin Mumbai. Okay. Now Airtel ID, comma, name. Okay. Suppose we are not passing anything and just for we are telling Siraj, Bangalore. Okay. So okay, now we are not passing place. Okay, this will work. Okay, but we are not passing the place. Now we will execute. It will provide. Okay, so the column name or number of supplied values do not match the table definition. So in that time we need to tell ID, comma, name. Okay, then we will execute one row affected. Select star from customer. So Siraj record inserted, right? And place is null now. Okay, and we can insert multiple data also. Values, vitamin bags, Dhoni, 5, ID, comma, name. Okay, 5, comma, Dhoni Mumbai. Then comma, we are passing 6, James, New York. Okay, so after values we are putting one comma, and after that we are again giving the values. Okay, now we will execute this. See, 2 rows affected. Then check select star from customer. We will see Dhoni and James records. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this type of videos, then please subscribe.